Hello everyone. So we'll see how can we create a new page in our website. So let me just okay, I just click on the English page. Okay, there are actually two options. If I click here, then I can create a page, or another ways I will just click here and then select create a page. Okay, these are the templates, and like I told in the last video, templates are which will tell us what will be the structure of your web page. So I will just select one of the template, that is content page. Click next. We need to give some name, so this is my first AM page. I will just fill the name, the same thing. Page title and navigation title we can give, but those are optional. I'll just click on create, then we'll open it. Okay, so this is my web page where just as in whatever is defined in the template component, we have header and then we have footer, and then if you see we can drag and drop the components here, the functional component. I will just configure maybe text component here. Yeah, to open the as in to configure it, you can just click single click and then click on this configure icon. Okay, or you can double click, either will work. And then this is my text component. Okay, we can give some, maybe we can make it bold or italic. Okay, maybe I will just use the image component. Okay, we need to drag and drop one image over here. I will just use this image. So this is how we configure functional components. What we have to do, we have to just select the component which we want to use. We can just include it, and then we can configure it. Okay, now these are the out of the box components, but in next sessions videos we will cover how can we create our own custom component, functional components, because maybe our requirement is we need a text and image component in which the text should be on top of image, or maybe it should be left aligned or right aligned. So based on our requirement we will create our functional components. Okay, and to preview it, we'll just click on this one, and then this is how it will look on the inside. Yeah, and a tree structure, I have used text component and I have used image component. If I want to edit, either I can click here, or through the content tree navigation as well I can configure. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's it in this video. In the next video we will see how can we create a template, as well as how can we create functional components. Thank you.